Hey best friend, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this fresh vegetable sales design on your own Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So let's move down to this background palette and let's import our background from our phone gallery. Yeah, this will be our background, and you see we have the size already. Yeah, let's just delete this and let's add the first thing from our gallery. Yeah, you just have to go back to that shape palette and resize it to 100. Both will be in 100 and just lock it to avoid error. Yeah, so after this, let's add the first text. Yeah, so we are going to change the font, but I've saved the font in style. Yeah, so after this, let's add another text, and this text will be vegetables. And let's change the font also from my styles. Yeah, so after this, let's add another text, and this text will be like this: can save up to 40%, save up to 40%, and all will be in capital letter also. Yeah, so let's change the font also. Yeah, so after this, we add another thing from our phone gallery, another shape. Yeah, so guys, I will also drop the PLP file in the description, so watch this tutorial carefully to the end for you to get the password. Yeah, so after this, let's lock it. Yeah, so let's continue to add another text again, and on this text will be like their contact. Let's use hook king at gmail.com. Yeah, so let's change the font also. Let's change the font. Yeah, so let's add another thing from our phone gallery.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams.
Yeah, so you can see how beautiful and amazing this is. Yeah, so if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, share and comment. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you're returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys. I really appreciate you guys. So see you guys in my next tutorial. You are welcome.